friends, welcome to the YouTube channel All About Electronics. So in this question, we have been given that the two amplifiers are cascaded together and we have been asked to find the overall voltage gain. So here, we have been given the voltage gain, the input and output impedance of each amplifier. Now if there is no effect of this input and output impedance, then the overall voltage gain will be a simply multiplication of the two voltage gains. But because of this input and output impedance, there will be an effect on the overall voltage gain. So first of all, let us find out the effective voltage gain of this first and the second amplifier. So for the first amplifier, the input impedance of this second amplifier will act as a load. So let's say the effective voltage gain of this first amplifier is equal to AV1 effective, and that will be equal to AV1 times this R into divided by R into plus R out 1, that is equal to 10 times 5 kilo ohm divided by 5 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm, that is equal to 8.33. So this 8.33 is the effective voltage gain of this first amplifier. That means if Vin is the input to this first amplifier, then the output of this first amplifier, let's say it is equal to Vout1, then this Vout1 will be equal to AV1 effective times Vin. So this will be the input for the second amplifier. So similarly, let's say for this second amplifier, the effective voltage gain is equal to AV2 effective, and it will be equal to this AV2 times RL divided by RL plus R out 2, that is equal to 5 times 1 kilo ohm divided by 1 kilo ohm plus 200 ohm, which is equal to 4.166. So this will be the effective voltage gain of the second amplifier. So if we see the overall voltage gain, that is Vout divided by Vin, then it will be the product of the AV1 effective and the AV2 effective, that is AV1 effective times AV2 effective, that is equal to 8.33 times 4.166, which is equal to 34.7. So this will be the overall voltage gain of this cascaded amplifier. That means we can say that for these two cascaded amplifiers, the overall voltage gain is equal to 34.7.